Namaskar, sir.
Namaskar.
What was the overall experience here in Mody University?
Yeah, it's really awesome. Actually, I heard a lot about Mody University, but today I seen with my eyes and I see a lot of potentials in the students. Really nice.
First question would be, how was your first experience when you first joined the company? How was your first experience working on your first project? Was it something special?
So when actually I started my journey in 2010, and when I started my project, that project was related to HTML related. Okay, and I learned HTML and there are a lot of stuff. But when I joined Microsoft, my first project are related to AI and Azure, all the combination of things. At that time, I was not expert in that technology. I learned with my peers, I learned with my seniors and my managers and my self-study as well. What I see in the projects, everybody can do coding, everybody can develop the projects, but the key thing is the learning. If you have continuous learning about that projects and the requirements, if you understand everything, work on that, I think that's the key of success.
The next question is, how can small teams maintain enterprise-grade security without overcomplicating things?
Okay, actually, security, the word is very small, but the definition of security is very huge. It's a giant actually. And there are a lot of factors in that security. If I'm giving you the example of Microsoft product, Microsoft products are more secure. So Microsoft announced SFI, that's Secure Future Initiative. It means what we are doing whenever we develop, यार इसको बना लेते हैं तब सिक्योरिटी का देखेंगे, तब लोग यूज करेंगे तब सिक्योरिटी का. बट इनसाइड माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, दैट्स द एग्जांपल ऑफ माइक्रोसॉफ्ट. बट इफ यू आर बिल्डिंग ए स्मॉल टीम, ऑल द फीचर्स शुड बी इन योर टीम. लाइक द सिक्योरिटी शुड बी बाय डिजाइन एंड बाय ऑपरेशन. लाइक बाय डिजाइन, व्हेन यू स्टार्ट बिल्डिंग योर प्रोडक्ट, स्टार्टिंग से आपको सिक्योरिटी वाले फीचर्स रखने हैं. When your product in the market and first person use, all the security features are enabled automatically. This type of things, if you learn and implement it within your team and your product, I think these are the good initiative in security.
So what are some misconceptions that you have heard about AI?
A lot of rumors are going on in market about the AI. And I see a lot of questions in today's session like AI will replace my job. I know AI will replace some manual work because AI is here to automate the thing. But if you are learning AI and you are build up your skills in the AI, I don't think so AI will replace your job. So that's the most common rumor I see in the market. But I think students need to think about in the positive perspective of AI. So whatever the task I did before AI, it will take, let's say, 5 hours. But today with the AI, I can do it in 1 or 2 hours. So that's the time saving I can do with that AI.
So if any listener wants to connect to you or reach out to you, how can they do that?
Okay, it's very easy. Everybody can just search Saket Kumar Microsoft and you can see my face, and on the photo you can see my face and connect with me anytime. You can message me if you need any guideline or related to your career or anything you want, I'll be there.
What can they do in this BTech journey so that they directly land in any FANG or Microsoft or Google? What should be specially done?
See, company कोई भी हो सकता है, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, any company you join, you have some time, 2 years, 3 years and 4 years, whatever the time you have. Start learning about the industry trend. What's the trend in industry today? The AI, the cloud, these things. And you have all the materials. Today I announced that learn.microsoft.com. If you learn daily 30 minutes and you see after 50 days, if you are learning continuously in 50 days and you compare yourself what you were in before 50 days, you can see the difference. And you have the time of 2-3 years. If you continue do these things 2-3 years, then automatically that change happen. And you have all the skills, whatever the industry required.
So I would like to say anything to our viewers, our students.
I wanted to say one thing. Every time, whenever any technology come, actually technology is changed every day. Let's say a few time back, cloud was in booming. Now AI is in booming. You need to understand the market need. Earlier in my era, like in 2009 or 10, a trend was going the IT developer, coder, these kind of terms were used. But today you no need to be a developer because AI will do most of the code, and you no need to be design any website. You don't need all the concept of HTML or C# or any language. But if you understand the market trend and you start learning against that trend and towards that trend, I think you will be success in one day. That's the one thing I wanted to share.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you very much. All the best.
Yes, sir.